say? Good morning.
Morning.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today we are going to do a day in the life. We have a pretty fun day planned today. We are actually taking Wilder to Snowboard Camp. It is an indoor park near us. They have so many different locations, and we're just going to show you how he has fun in an open gym. It's super inexpensive and we can all go and have a good time. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna show you our dinner recipe, what we're eating for lunch and breakfast and all that fun stuff, along with some beautiful Colorado scenery. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button and let's get into our day. We are starting with breakfast, and I'm going to include some of my husband's food in here too, just because I know y'all like to see that. He is having an egg with some pastrami, cheddar cheese, and a jalapeno bagel bun. He loves hot sauce. He puts that on there often. And then I'm gonna have some fancy avocado toast. I know, typical, but it's super easy to get all of my nutrients in. So I have some Dave's Killer bread. I have a half of an avocado for some healthy fat. I'm trying out this Kite Hill cream cheese. It is absolutely delicious. The garden veggie is now my favorite. And then I'm gonna sprinkle it with some hemp seeds and some chia seeds.
2 a.m. in the car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna.
We have made it to Snowboard Camp. I'm super excited to share this with you all. I'm hoping that you have one in your area. This costs $15. You get a full hour of access to their gear, the gym itself, and someone to coach you if you need help. My husband is an avid snowboarder. He's actually pretty talented, and I not so much. I'm okay, but Wilder likes to run around in the gym, and I just kind of follow them around with Delilah. I get her out every once in a while, but this is a super fun family adventure that we like to try and do every now and again. We really want to start doing this maybe once or twice a week and get Wilder super used to the indoor mountain so he can get out in the snow with us.
So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking.
We stopped and grabbed some lunch at Starbucks of all places. I tried the new vegan chickpea box. It was okay. It's super pricey, but I'm glad they are having some options for all of us there. Normally I would get a plain bagel with avocado spread. And we grabbed our Target haul, so I just decided to throw this in here to show you some convenience meals that we have, as well as some healthy meals that we have. So I have 2 gallons of milk for my son. I'm going to try and voice this over just because the babies are screaming in the background and I don't want to be too annoying for all of you. Everything frozen was 20% off, as well as fresh produce and fruit. So we got quite a bit of items for a really great price. I'm just going to kind of scan through and give you some of these ideas, and hopefully this coupon is still going on in your area. But we did get some of this cheese, and I like to chop it in half and then chop it into little cheese sticks. It's a lot easier and it's not as expensive as the actual peel cheese that you would get. I got some coleslaw for an Irish recipe coming up for Tamara and I's collab. I'm super excited. And then I got this avocado toast to make a cheeseburger salad with those plant-based patties. I got bananas, and my daughter really loves these happy organic teethers. Super fun to have at the park for her. And then we of course got some pantry staples. The mac and cheese at Target is 55 cents, and then the shells and cheese are normally $1. I got some scalloped potatoes. Like I said, we are not perfect. We still eat processed food every now and again, and it's nice and easy to have during the week. And then I got some other items. So these are these lashes. I wanted to try them out. I do wear false lashes from time to time, and since I was going with that trend, I'm like, I'm gonna do my nails too. So I got some of these press-on nails. I saw Riley on Miss Riley Jade talk about these, so I will link her channel down below. She's great. And then I got some new face wash. I got the Glow Baby, and I got some face masks so I can just have a cute little spa day. And I got some new leggings. I got a medium. I'm super excited because I am back down to my pre-pregnancy weight. And then I got this striped shirt. I really thought it was going to be tan because it said it was going to be tan, but it ended up being blush, which is totally fine. And yeah, this is all that we got. I'm happy that we were able to stop at Target and get some of these quick meals. We did end up going to the park this day. We were trying to tire Wilder out, which is a tricky thing to do for our toddler. He just has a burst of energy, but we stopped at these local lakes, and it's pretty close to our house, so we're definitely going to head on here most of the days. It's getting warmer out, and Wilder has figured out how to do the slide, so that is his jam. He absolutely loves it, and it's a fun time for the whole family.
So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you.
So we are home from a busy day, and we are actually going to make the quickest dinner of all time. You've seen me make these little roll-ups. You can make them in a quesadilla form if you want, but I'm going to make some buffalo chickpea roll-ups. I'm going to bake them in the oven. I rinse and wash these chickpeas in warm water, and it makes them super easy to just kind of smash and break apart. I'm going to add some green onions to each wrap, as well as this buffalo wing sauce, some more of that Kite Hill cream cheese, and this Miyoko's cheddar. This is a great alternative if you are looking for one. I'm going to roll everything up in these whole wheat tortillas.
I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down.
All right, so now I'm going to move on to my homemade dressing. This is kind of my take on ranch. It doesn't have any egg in it, so it is completely vegan, and it tastes wonderful to me. So you're gonna need some mayo, half of a lemon juiced, black pepper, salt, dill, and some green onion. If you want to cut out some acidity, you could definitely add some water to this, but this is my favorite way to dip those buffalo chickpea little roll-ups in, and it is a great alternative to regular ranch.
Like you.
I did make my husband some buffalo pulled chicken, so this is my way of kind of shredding it. I shred up the big chunks with my blender, and then I kind of piece it apart with my wooden spoons. I learned this trick from Jordan Page. You know I love her, so if you want to check out her channel, definitely do that. I will link it in the description box below. And yeah, I served this with sweet potato fries and french fries, as well as some ranch, and we were good to go. My husband had his on a jalapeno cheddar bun, just like breakfast, and we had some sweet potato fries and french fries with his as well. He just likes to have ketchup with his, but this dinner was super quick and super filling. I really urge you to try it. I will type out the entire recipe down in the description box. And that is going to do it for today's video. Thank you for spending the day with us. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll see you next time. Bye.